Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to send PiCoin to exchange. Alright, so your first step would be to make sure you've downloaded PiCoin and you have your Pi browser installed as well. Open up the PiCoin and you're met with the mining screen where you can mine your Pi. Now, in order to send the PiCoin out of your wallet, there are some criteria you need to meet, such as making sure your profile, that every single verification on the account verification section is completed. With this done, head over to where we have mainnet, click on mainnet and view your balance dashboard. On the balance dashboard, where you have your transferable balance, make sure you have some transferable balance available. As you can see here, I do have some here. And then your next step would be to click on mainnet checklist. You're going to go through this mainnet checklist if you've not done it before, to make sure you have completed the certain steps and requirements to withdraw the PiCoins from the app. So make sure you've completed all of these. Make sure you've created a Pi wallet, as you can see here in number 2. Your address is also shown in number 3. And then there was a lockup configuration and everything else. So once you've completed this, head back, and where we have migrate to mainnet, you're going to have to move your transferable balance to the mainnet section in order to withdraw it. So click on transfer and make sure you're done with the migration process on number 9. So once you've transferred your Pi to the mainnet section, click on view wallet. You're taken to your Pi wallet here, where you're asked to unlock it using either your fingerprint or your passphrase. So once you go ahead and unlock the wallet, alright, so once you've unlocked your Pi mainnet wallet, all you need to do now is simply click on pay or request. So if you click on pay or request and then click on manually add wallet address, you're asked to add a wallet address and the amount you wish to send. So once you've entered the amount you wish to send, go ahead and provide the wallet address. So minimize and open up a centralized exchange. In this case, we're going to be working with Bitget. So open up the Bitget centralized exchange. If you do not have an account on this, make sure you use our link in the description of the videos so you stand a chance to claim 1000 USDT new user rewards. So click on add funds, and where we have deposit crypto, click on deposit crypto. Use the search icon at the top to search for Pi. And then go ahead and select the Pi network, copy your deposit address, head over to the wallet, paste the address here, enter the amount and click on send. Your Pi tokens would then be moved from your wallet over to your exchange. So guys, that's how it's done. Comment down below if you have a question and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.